Okay, so this video is to show you guys how to change your base currency on interactive brokers from Singapore dollars to US dollars, or you want to close any currencies. So you can do that over here. So once you log into your web version of interactive brokers, take note, it has to be the web version. You have to go to this little person over here and go to settings. When you go to settings, you'll come to this page. And if you can scroll down, yeah, so if you scroll all the way down, you'll see this thing called the base currencies. So you click on that and you click on the base currency that you want, be it Sing dollars or United States dollars or even Hong Kong dollars, Malaysian dollars, ringgit. I'm not too sure whether it's inside here. Yeah, so you just change your base currency and then just press confirm. Yeah. So that's how you actually change your base currency, and you can also go ahead and close your Singapore dollars currency if you don't need it anymore.